So now you've learnt those two new chords, the easy A minor 7 and the relatively tricky D7, we're going to learn the song I See the Light from Disney's Tangled. So let's get started. It starts nicely on a C chord, this song. Goes to a G7 and back to a C. And you do that pattern twice. And for the second time. Next line is F to C, and then a really quick F to G. And to finish off that verse, C, D7, G7. So that's how the first bit of the verse sounds. It's like this. All those days watching from the windows, all those years outside looking in, all that time never even knowing just how blind I've been. That's the first verse. Second verse starts very similar. It's C to G7 again, back to C, and repeat that C to G7 to C. Now here's where it gets tricky. It's F to E minor, big change. To A minor. This time though when we play A minor we're going to use the wrong finger. We're going to use the finger closer to our thumb because we're going to go down to D7 and then to G7. So have a listen to that. I'll do it a little bit slower. Here, now I'm here, blinking in the starlight. Now I'm here, suddenly I see, standing here, it's all so clear, it's where I'm meant to be. Okay, so a little bit tricky the end of that verse. That's going to take a bit of practice. And now for the chorus, a little bit easier. Starts on F to C to G7, back to C to F to C. Now we're going to E7 and A minor 7, so all fingers off. Then to F and C. Now E minor and F, C, G7 and C. So let's have a listen to the chorus section. And at last I see the light, and it's like the fog has lifted. And at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is new. And it's warm and real and bright, and the world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything looks different now that I see you. Okay, so there are all the different bits. I'll put up a video next to me doing that whole section. The next part of the song changes into a different key and it's really, really tricky on the ukulele. So you can sing the next verse in that key because it's so much easier for your ukulele.